We recently worked with Thameside Aesthetics, a clinic based in Laleham village in Surrey, on a full rebrand, website and marketing project. This was a really lovely project to work on because the clinic had such a strong sense of place. It is based near the Thames and the clinic space itself is using these calm blues and green tones. So what we wanted from the very beginning was the brand to feel connected to that environment. We started off with a logo and mini brand project. The logo includes a subtle wave to reflect the Thameside location and a face silhouette to represent the inclusivity with aesthetics, because this clinic in particular supports both men and women with their treatment journeys. From there, we then built out the wider look and feel. We used soft tones of blue and green to create something calm, professional and welcoming, whilst still feeling really polished enough for the medical aesthetics market. Once the brand foundations were in place, we carried out that identity throughout the website. And you'll see that the wave icon has been used throughout the site to break up things like titles and headings, which helps make the brand feel really consistent and memorable. We also created printed clinic assets, including branded business cards and a review sign, so that the brand could extend way beyond the website into the clinic space itself. That is always something that we think about when we are designing or we're doing a rebrand for clinics, because your brand should not just live online, it should feel consistent at every touch point possible. After the branding was wrapped up, we then moved on to creating Erica a fully bespoke website. This website in particular is structured around the treatment pathways, such as rejuvenation and natural enhancement, so that visitors can really quickly get a good understanding of which treatments might be right for them. And this in turn makes the whole journey much clearer for patients, especially ones who are maybe new to aesthetics and maybe not know exactly what they want to book yet. Education was also a really big part of this project. We wanted the website to explain treatments clearly, answer common questions, and position Erica as the expert in her field. The goal was to create a website that does more than just look good. It needs to build trust, it needs to help people make informed decisions and also encourage them to take that next step. We also integrated the clinic's booking system so that when patients can browse treatments, they can also learn more and inquire and book all in one place without having to leave the website. Once the website project was complete, we then rolled out the SEO Boost to support with things like local visibility in Surrey area. That included things like on-page SEO, treatment page optimization, and setting up a Google business profile, which nowadays is especially important for a new or a growing clinic because it helps build reviews, trust signals, and local search visibility from an early stage. We now continue to support with Thameside Aesthetics through one of our creative partner projects, and this is things like helping with blog writing, social media marketing, and ongoing content to strengthen the clinic's presence in the aesthetic space. When we are carrying out this work, it's always really important for us to bear in mind how people are now searching nowadays. People are using things like AI a lot more to search for recommendations, particularly in the aesthetics industry. So a lot of the content that we create is all framed around answering some of those common questions and speaking directly to the audience, as well as optimizing the website so that things like that can be picked up through AI as well as organic search. We are already seeing really positive early signs with strong daily website visitors and inquiries coming through from both organic and campaign activity. Overall, this project is a great example of how branding, website design, SEO, and ongoing marketing can work together to create a clinic presence that feels professional, personal, and built for future growth.